we will be demonstrating Superior's repair processes, which are the culmination of many years of research and development, and which have been field tested by a large number of well-qualified mobile technicians. These are currently the most innovative and practical repair processes in the industry, and we sincerely hope that you will enjoy learning these techniques in this DVD series. In our preparation for repairing leather, we want to stress first of all the appropriate cleaning. I might recommend that in the automobile you cover the console or other things that might be damaged or spotted even by the cleaners. Okay, that's good. Okay, here we'd like to demonstrate a little bit of a different approach to repairing leather. We have a chatter caused by an object raking across the seat. And what we have is little flaps of leather sticking up. So we only need a little bit to work in. What I'm going to do is work this in both ways. Okay. So now all of the leather flaps have been laid back down. We still, of course, have some imperfections in here. So to fill these little imperfections, we're going to use the deep leather fill product. This is our thickest leather fill product. I like to use a spreader, lay down and smooth this product over like that. For now, let's just put a little color and see how far along we are on a repair. And then our final coat of color will finish this. So that really doesn't take much time. It's a very simple repair. We can save the lines, we can blend the texture and the color, and we're happy. I have been a mobile technician now for about 22 years, and I've been with Superior Restoration since its inception. I have really enjoyed this business because it provides a much needed service. In fact, there's an ever-growing demand for the repairing of vinyl, recoloring of leather, stitching of cloth, repairing dashes, and so forth. These types of services yield a very high profit in a short amount of time. And each job is rewarding in itself.